Kiss me. What time is it?
It's it's 4 o'clock.
Ah, it's 4 o'clock, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
By the way, my name is Phong. Nice to meet you.
My name is Sun. Nice to meet you too.
So your name is Sun, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Nice name.
Thanks. Your name is Wuchu.
How old are you?
I'm 22 years old.
So you're 22 years old until?
Yes, I am.
Where you come from, sir?
I come from Nam Định City.
So you come from Nam Định City until?
Yes.
How long have you been here?
I've been here for 4 years.
So if been here for 4 years until?
Yes.
Do you miss your family?
Yes, I do. I miss them very much.
Very much.
Yes.
How often do you visit your family?
Every month. I visit my family every month.
Every month?
Yes.
How far is it from here to your house?
About 100 kilometers. It's about 100 kilometers from here to my house.
About 100 kilometers?
Yes.
How do you usually go home?
By coach. I usually go home by coach.
By coach?
Yes.
How much does it cost you to go home by coach?
About 60,000 Vietnam đồng. It costs me about 60,000 Vietnam đồng to go by coach.
About 60,000?
Yes.
And how long does it take you to get there?
About 2 hours. It takes me about 2 hours to get there.
About 2 hours?
Yes.
May I have your phone number?
Yes, of course. It's 0963.
0963
Yes. 290.
290
Yes. 704.
704.
Yes, it's 0963 290 704.
So the phone number is 0963 290 704, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, see you later.
See you later. Ta-ta.
Ta-ta.